The history of the Hills and Dales estate goes back to 1841 with the Farrell family. Between 1841 and 1903, Sarah Farrell developed this land into one of the most beautiful gardens in the United States. Unfortunately, Sarah Farrell's husband died in 1908 and the estate had to be sold at auction. In 1911, Fuller Callaway Sr., a textile mill magnate, and his wife Ida Cason purchased the estate and renamed it Hills and Dales. The Fuller family home was razed, and a new Italian-style home was built on the site for the Callaway family. Ida Cason Callaway kept many of Sarah Farrell's garden plants and designs, including this boxwood sculptured to spell God. She was inspired by the biblical account in Genesis, "In the beginning God created the heavens and the earth." So she planted this next to the original entrance to the garden. It is surrounded by clipped yews and stone walls. This area of the garden is called Lover's Lane. Several couples courted here, including Fuller Callaway Jr. and his wife Alice Hand, who took over the estate in 1936. Fuller Callaway Jr. passed away in 1992, but Alice continued to care for the estate until her passing in 1998. Today, the estate is open to the public in accordance with the wishes of the Callaway family. You may tour the 13,000 square foot home, but photos are not allowed of the interior. The tour is amazing. No ropes or closed off spaces. Even the carpets are allowed to be walked upon.